a rowdy audience in tonight.
This is it.
You got?
This is it. Good luck.
Oh, thank you.
I got no hat. Busted.
Hi. Welcome. Hello, who are you?
Hello, my name is Olena Uutai. I'm from Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. It's a northern east in Russia.
Okay, why did you audition for the show?
I want to share my culture with all the world.
Okay, well, I'm not going to ask you what you're going to do, Elena, but good luck.
Thank you.
Go, girl.
Never seen anything like it.
Brilliant!
Wow. Wow, I had no idea what that was, but amazing. Alicia.
Do you know what? I absolutely love you. You're otherworldly.
Yes.
You're like a stallion goddess.
Thank you.
Yes.
David?
It's like you've come from outer space. Or from the heavens. It was magical, and you wouldn't think it would be entertaining, but it was brilliantly entertaining.
Let's take a vote. David, yes or no?
I'm going to kick this off with a big, fat yes!
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
Olena Uutai, you have 4 gigantic golden yeses.
That was wonderful!
I loved her.